So you guys have a Hisense Roku TV and you have an issue where your Wi-Fi is not connected. It may say not connected. Maybe you were watching a movie a little while ago on Netflix. All of a sudden it says not connected. Or maybe you were watching a bunch of movies on Amazon Prime Video last night. Everything worked fine. This morning you wake up, open up Amazon Prime Video, and all of a sudden it says not connected. I'm going to give you guys a solution here that most of you guys are going to be up and running by the end of this video, okay? So what we're going to do is two things. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to access the system operations menu. It's a certain key combination to get to that using the remote. And then after that, we're going to restart the computer or restart the your Hisense Roku TV using the remote as well as a certain key combination, okay? So first thing is let's go and access the systems operation menu. How you do that? Watch closely, okay? So it's going to be, you see the home button up here? It's going to be home button. You got to hit it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it's going to be fast forward down here once, play once, rewind once, play once, and then fast forward again. So again, remember, home button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then fast forward, play, rewind, play, fast forward. Let's do it together, okay? Here we go. Home button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fast forward, play, rewind, play, fast forward. Now this menu here will pop up and we want to go to the system operations menu. So we're going to go up, press on OK. And then from here, we're going to go up to where it says disable network pings. Right here. Go ahead and click on OK. Now you see it turns to enable, okay? You see it says enable. Make sure that it says enable network pings now, all right? Okay, that part is done. Now, go ahead and go to your remote. You have to use this Roku remote too. If you don't have this, you can buy one on Amazon. It's like less than $10. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is press on the home button first. So now we're going to go ahead and restart the TV here using the remote. So it's a key combination again. So watch closely. It's going to be this. It's going to be, again, home button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then up once. And then rewind twice. And then fast forward twice. Let's do it together. Ready? Home button here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up once. Rewind twice. Fast forward twice. And now this should be happening to your screen, acting all like funny. So it's going to get to a point where it's on right here. And it's going to freeze for like 30 seconds or so. Then it's going to go ahead and reboot. So it's going to turn black soon, and then it's going to reboot. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so it's just rebooted here. It's turned off. Now it's going to go ahead and turn back on. And now go ahead and see if you're connected to the Wi-Fi. You guys should be up and running now. Okay, if it worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. Good luck, guys.